Sorry you guys, I had to cancel half the second half of the game's video because the storage didn't work. But anyway, the Hurricanes got 2 wickets, wasn't it? Yeah. Are we doing good, Tyron?
Yeah.
How we doing, Nate? Yeah. Go Hobart! Go Hobart! And who's bowling?
Right now. Meredith, maybe?
Meredith for bowling. Yeah. I know. You know, I know. My mum knows Riley Meredith's It is. I know. My mum knows Riley Meredith's grandmother.
Yeah, she told me. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
And I have a cut, and my cousin's Ben Brown, the footy player.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah.
And I said this, why don't you not stop playing AFL and come down and play cricket this Big Bash? Maybe. But Jack Revolt, he's retired, but he wants to play Big Bash again. He wants to play BBL cricket again, Jack Revolt. Jack Revolt's retired and he wants to play BBL cricket. What's his name? Jimmy Fortner. Jack Revolt. He wants to play Big Bash again. I think you said it. Yeah, the Hurricanes have got 2 wickets and we are doing great. Jimmy Fortner got the first wicket for us. I think the other bowler got it as well. And the same as the last video, it will be half done, so half filmed. So, there's a lot of people here wanting to win a prize, and of course I wear the Indigenous. Nathan Ellis is down there. Here we go. No, there isn't. I know you're joking. I think Darcy Short's bowling now. I don't. No, he isn't. Let's go, Hobart. Let's go. Come on, Hobart. Okay. Jimmy Fortner there. Jimmy Fortner was doing great with the bowling. Oh.
What's bash boost?
What?
What's bash boost?
What?
Bash boost.
Oh, what?
What is bash boost?
I don't know. Bash Hoost.
Games 40 something or 20 something goals.
I think he's from
Both is bowling.
I think Bash Hoost is from somewhere else. I think he's from a different country. Oh no! Fuck. That goes for 6 by that idiot Jack Revolt. By that idiot Adelaide Strikers idiot. Yeah?
I'll say play football.
What?
I thought he played football.
Nathan Ellis?
Yeah.
That's Brandon Ellis.
Hey, brothers.
No. Brandon Ellis is from Victoria. Nathan Ellis is from Tasmania.
Hey, you know that might be related.
They could, but always you don't know. Brandon Ellis plays for Gold Coast. in the AFL, doesn't he?
Yeah,
Right.
moved from Richmond.
But did agree. He's good in Gold Coast.
I haven't seen him play.
I did.
Oh.
Ah! Yeah! Woo! Hobart! 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 Another wicket! We're so close! Get up! Get up now! Get up! Get up now! Come on! Haha, strikers!
Remember Wales? Play Mario. John
Yeah.
Wales.
Oh yeah, I do. I do kind of remember. Do you know Simon Malenko's moved clubs? Yeah, Meredith! 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 Come on! Come on, mate! Make your grandmother proud, mate. Whoop! Throw it! No. Is that true?
What?
Riley Meredith, make your grandmother proud. Make your grandmother proud.
Where's his grandmother?
Mum knows her. Mate. Okay, back. We're back to the game. Meredith! Ah, he's good. Yeah, right up. Come on, mate. Oh, what? Come on, Meredith. Ah! Yes! We've got... I think we could win this. We could win this. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Meredith. For the Hurricane. Come on, mate. Come on, the Canes.
Hat-trick. What? He's going to get a hat-trick.
What?
I reckon he's going to get a hat-trick.
Baby. Remember, give me the film a bloody child. Dumb. That's why I be careful. That's why I be careful with my filming. If I've accidentally hit down someone, I'd just say, oh no, see it's their back. Still Meredith. Meredith! But just one run. What? Oh look. Oh no. Are we? Could we die? Are we over?
Huh?
You think we're lost? No.
That's not the game.
What?
Bash Bruce, 30%.
It's not raining anyway.
Alex, you know what bash boost is?
What?
You know what bash boost is?
Back spruce.
Bash boost.
No, I don't. You?
No?
No cheating. Just joking.
Done.
So here I am, up for the hurricane. Hey, is Meredith still?
Yeah. Last bowl of over.
What?
Last bowl of over.
What's that, man? But anyway, for this, you maybe can't do it. Maybe I think because you can't do this challenge that at the ground because you might not be here. Maybe I think we should say, you guys, comment down below. Go the Canes! If you're any Adelaide Strikers fans, we'll put the finger up at you. Yeah, we're Hobart. Nothing stands in our way. Nathan Ellis. Hey, he's bowling from there, is he? Yep, there he is. Go Ellis. Oh. Peter Hanscom. If it was me, if I was playing, I wouldn't be wicketkeeper.
Yeah?
If I was captain, I wouldn't be wicketkeeper at all. I'd be all-rounder. Here you go. No. Hey, I think Peter Hanscom, oi Torres, look, the board. How much runs left?
Alright.
Have we lost? Maybe. Anyway, feel it's not raining. Right. Oh. 8:15.
30 runs on 15 ball. What the fuck is back boost?
Do you think the Hurricanes are going to win?
Alright, so the bash boost is, I don't know what it actually does, but it's a random point, and it goes to the team that has the highest score at the halfway mark. So like, at the end of 10 overs, for each batting side, whoever had the highest score gets the point. And if they've got the equal score, then it's divided between two.
What's the point?
I don't know what the point's for.
174, isn't it? I remember the Hurricanes ended on 174.
Yeah, but it's at the 10 over, it's the halfway mark, the point for. So they see, it's like, what Hurricanes were sitting out at 10 overs versus what they're going to get at overs, and
How you-
whoever was the highest gets the point.
That's just confusing.
Yeah, I know.
That's just for 2020. Hey, I think we're gonna win. You Adelaide Strikers idiots, you're dying. You know what I mean it. Might stop filming now. Oh, catch it! No, oh, just don't duck. Oh, but we still have a chance, remember? We still have a little chance. If that was a catch, that would be easy. But we'll still have a chance. Still have a chance of winning.
I'm gonna say Hurricanes have got the highest score.
Yeah, I know. That's what it's Ingram. Yep. What? Oh, stop. Stop it! Ah! Have we lost? Oh! I know what the Hurricanes finished on. 174.
Yeah, I know.
I look, yeah. I look, 12 to 23.
23 runs with 12 balls.
12 runs for 23 balls, and I think we could be done. Yep, I think we're taking it. I think we're taking it home. I think we're home.
You reckon?
Yes,
you know
of
that's
course.
not the game ending one.
This is the first game over. Hobart. Hurricane. We want the Canes to win. We want our favourite team to win. Yep. You know my favourite team in AFLW?
What?
North Melbourne. North Melbourne, Tasmania. Oh, don't run. Uh-oh. 10 balls up. Have we lost? Just a couple of... Oh, yeah! Hey, here. I think this is out. Is this definitely out? What? Oh, what? Oh! Doubt. Wait a minute. I'm a pretty good no.
There it is.
Shush. Oh, come on. Please be out. No. Yes! Yeah! Woohoo! Let's go, Hobart! We're massive! We're the best! We're the team of the rest. But Rashy idiots! Rashy idiots! Come on, Rashy idiot! Rashy idiot! Rashy idiot is out in the field. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, please, please. Is it? I think it's Boland. No, Meredith. What? Come on! Yeah! We did it! You have to hurry. We've won, we've won. And Adelaide and Tyron, what's your message for Adelaide Strikers fans? Adelaide Strikers fan, so yeah, that's them. Okay. I think we're going. Do you think so I might. We've won.
How do you know?
Look, that's balls left.
Yeah, that's easy to get 29 runs and 8 balls.
Yeah, you could. One out, and the game's possibly over. Oh! One. If they keep on getting one run, I think we could win.
Yeah.
Because one run doesn't count. Okay. Meredith. Come on, Meredith. What? What? Ah. Couldn't really hear. Make some noise for our team. You guys, this game is definitely over. No, that's, oh no. Come on, Meredith. We've won. Definitely a good win. Hey, this is a very close game, but I think we still have it. It's a pretty close game, but we could have it in the bag. Oh my goodness. 6 balls. Oh. 6 balls off 19 runs, is it? Hey, but if it's 5 balls and then goes down to 4 balls, they're gone.
What I need is to get
If it ends
4s, 1 or 6s.
unless they get, if if they get up to, like, if they get down to, like, 3 or 4. Who's bowling now? Come on, Scotty! Catch! Catch it! No! That's 1 run. Was that 2 run?
Just
1 run. So, maybe end the video now. Well, not now. When the game's over. Come on, Boland. Bowling. 1 run. But oh my goodness. Oh, we're definitely gone. We're definitely just. Oh, catch! Catch it though. Oh, what?